Hi, we're gonna make a Nutella sweet mug, and then and the ingredients are 2 Oreos, Nutella, hot water, what's this again? Bear Brand milk powder and ice. But don't mind the ice that's not here, cause it's gonna melt already. It's in the fridge. Okay na.
Okay na. Malagay mo na ito.
Okay, next.
Yan na, pagin mo. Doon ka, upo ka.
This will get replaced by liquid milk, not powder milk now. Again.
Baka po pwedeng...
Laura, ang daming gamit sa sarap, hindi ko kaya abutin. Ang daming gamit. Parang cabbage. Can you help? Back. Lalagyan ko na. Okay. No, I'm not very strong. Kuya, can you help me? Can you help? Okay.
Ice.
Yeah, ice.
Aba, linisin mo to, ha? Okay na yan, sige.
How many ice?
Ganun muna, ganun. Lahat mo. Oh, hindi naman sinabi kong... Ako, lagay mo na yun.
let's try. Okay.
Ano ulit yan?
It's Nutella sweet cup. Tasty.
Tapos sabihin mo, try it.
Try it now.
Business with Cesar Gallegos. Every Sunday,